Okay, this one is from Lolly and Eric.
What is this? The builder. What is this?
Bow and arrow.
Oh my gosh.
Are you having a good birthday or what?
Yeah.
Do you see the arrows?
Yeah. No, I'm not picking I'll
Okay.
open it right now.
We have to get something so you can practice shooting it into something, like a hay bale or something.
My knife. I'm going to shoot at you.
Okay, and then we're going to put down some ground rules of how you do and do not use the bow. What do you say?
Thank you, 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 thank you.
How about I love you?
Mommy, I